So today we will talk about the climate change performing index. Recently this index is released by the German Watch, and we will talk about what it is, why it is, and what is the main aim, what is the India ranking, and what are the parameters used by climate change performing index. So let's talk about. So as I have told you, why in news recently the 17th edition of climate change performing index released by the German Watch, New Climate Institute and Climate Action Network, in short you can say CAM. So remember that this report is released by this agency. So what is the climate change performing index? If you talk about it, analyzes and compares the climate change mitigation efforts. So whatever is related to the climate change, if there are any steps is taken, that it analyzes and compare across the 16 countries apart from the European Union. Means there are the 16 countries which include the UK, Finland areas, etc., and the European Union, etc. So this is very important, with the highest emissions. So this is all about the climate change performance index. What is the main aim of climate change performance index? Basically to bring transparency. Transparency is what term? This provides three data. Yes, this is how these countries are performing. Let's say India, let's say China, let's say UK, this is the US. So these countries actually performs in this way. It brings the transparency in that way, that it provides the data which shows at the international level. So it brings the transparency in the international climate politics and enable the comparison. Means if UK is performing like this, then how India is performing. If India is performing like this, then how United States is performing. So this is known as the comparison. Comparison of mitigation efforts and progress made by the individual country. Means how year by year the individual country is progressing. This is the what main aim of the climate change performing index. So next, as I have told you, that 60 countries and the European Union consist of 90% of the global emission in the world. So this is facts we need to remember. If we talk about the parameters used by the climate change performing index, then first is the greenhouse gas emission, which has the highest weightage, which is 40%, and another is the energy use, which is the second highest weightage, 20%, and renewable energy 20%, and energy policy 20%. So you need to remember that greenhouse gas emission in climate change performing index has the highest weightage, and energy use, renewable energy, and energy policy has equal weight. So this you need to remember. If we talk about the first three places, then first three places are vacant. Why vacant? Because no country has performed very high in all the category. They have performed, obviously Sweden at 4th rank, they have performed, but not very high in all the categories. Somewhere they are lacking, and that's why the overall ranking at first three places are vacant. So if you talk about at 4th place, that's as I told you that Denmark is at the 4th place with this point, and Sweden at 5th place, and the Norway at 6th place, and United Kingdom at 7th place, and India at 10th place. India in the last as well as this time has placed at 10th rank because of the performance in their various categories, and that's why. So if we talk about India, overall is in the high performing categories. High performing, not very high categories, but the high performing country. And remember that, but in the medium performed in the renewable energy. So this is the very important fact you need to remember. And as you know that in the COP26, India launched one sun, one world, and one grid. So in the future, obviously, it will lead to the medium to high, and it can be high to very high.